you another updo today that is super easy to do on yourself for whatever special occasion you need to do your hair for. And we're not even going to curl our hair to do it because curling our hair is something that some of us struggle with. So we're going to do this updo on straight hair that we didn't even have to curl. What you're going to need to do this is some hair ties and some bobby pins. So grab some hair ties and some bobby pins. Clear hair ties are my preference so that if you are not great at making sure you get your hair to hide the hair tie, that, you know, it's harder to see, but any small hair tie that's not going to create a ton of bulk will work, but clear is my preference.
Start by creating a ponytail with just the top half of your hair. And again, I'm going to use a clear hair tie just because it is really easy to leave your hair tie exposed with this style, and the clear hair tie will be much harder to see. You're going to split the base of that ponytail nice and wide, no little hairs crisscrossing so it doesn't get stuck as you flip it through. You can also use a little topsy tail tool for that if you find that easier. I like to pull the hair apart, make it a little messier, give it a little bit more volume, but you totally can skip that step. Now I take 2 fingers through the hole and pull the hair from one side through that hole, and then I do the same with the hair on the other side. At this point, I suggest that you check in the mirror what it looks like. I didn't, and you can see it's not the same on both sides. I'm gonna finish the style anyways, but if you check, you can adjust things before you finish. It gets a lot harder to adjust once you've finished. So then you take that ponytail, you just roll it up around your fingers, put a pin on both sides, and then you're just gonna fluff it out to make it look full, because you can see it is a really small little bun before you do that. And it's gonna look a lot bigger after you kind of fluff and pull it apart. Even though it's completely hollow, it's gonna look like there's a lot more hair there. So that is the finished product. Very, very pretty.
There we go. It's all done. The more hair you have, the more intricate the style will look, but it still works really well even if you don't have a ton of hair. It's pretty simple to do. Some of the steps might feel complicated, but if you just take it one step at a time, you'll realize that each of the steps is really achievable with a little bit of patience. Obviously, adding curls first is going to give the style a lot more texture, more volume, a little more visual interest. But if styling your hair curled feels overwhelming, or just curling your hair in general is something that you're not comfortable with or don't feel like you know how to do yet, then put it in straight hair because it still looks really pretty and it is better than just throwing your hair in a basic ponytail. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this gives you a fun style to try for your next special occasion. If you try it, let me know in the comments how it goes for you, because I would love to hear that. And if there's any other styles that you've seen on social media that you want me to try, let me know in the comments, because I would love to try those out for you if you haven't seen me do it already. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you are not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button so that you can join my family here on DIY Hair School. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye.